Hello, kids! Today we will learn singular and plural words. Apple. Apples. Cat. Cats. Tree. Trees. Fish. Fishes.
Egg. Eggs. Box. Boxes.
Flower. Flowers.
Leaf. Leaves. Book. Books.
Duck. Ducks. Bus. Buses. Star. Stars. Ball. Balls. Fox. Foxes.
Chair. Chairs.
Toy. Toys. Pencil. Pencils. Hat. Hats.
Well done, kids! Today we learned singular and plural words.
Subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye, kids!